Greetings, fellow pullers. David Schell, the professor here. Like a lot of you, I'm going to be competing in a few weeks at Winterblast. Unlike a lot of you, I'm going to be stuck in super heavyweight. And even though I am still heavy enough to be in supers, I certainly don't look anything like the dude in that picture there. Yes, indeed, that is me at age 36, which time I was half my current age and not quite double my current weight. So the question is, why am I showing you that disgusting picture? Well, first place, to catch your attention. But secondly, to make the point that throughout my life, I have generally contributed to food drives when someone holds one, whether the food drive is being run by the Scouts, by the Postal Workers Union, or now by 98% arm wrestling. Did I do this because I kind of felt guilty because I obviously had far too much food when some people didn't have enough? Well, I'm not really sure that that's important now. But what is important is that 98% Arm Wrestling is at Winterblast, collaborating with the Philadelphia area food bank, Philabundance, to collect food for those of our neighbors who don't have enough. Our goal is to come up with at least 500 pounds of food, and this is where you come in. There is a list down below attached to this post that shows the 10 items that Philabundance is most in need of. So if you have some of those and would be willing to donate them to the cause, we'd be glad to have it. If you don't, however, hey, you can still contribute without having to spend a dime. Just look around your place, and I'm sure you're going to find something, several food items that are unopened, non-perishable, and not out of date. So why don't you chuck a couple of them in your bag and bring them with you? We would certainly appreciate it. You'd be helping people that are in need, and quite honestly, you'd be providing a great benefit as far as good publicity for the arm wrestling community. So thanks for your support, and we hope to see you at Winterblast on March 11th.